today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quote in Zoho CRM, full 2024 guide. We'll start from the homepage and build a clean, accurate quote directly from a contact record. Once you're signed in and on the home screen, head over to the Sales module. From there, open Contacts. Starting from a contact automatically links the right people and keeps your records tidy. Open the contact you're working with. Before creating the quote, confirm the contact details look correct and that the record is associated with the appropriate account, so billing and shipping information will carry over correctly. Inside the Contacts page, find the Quotes Related section and click New. This creates a quote that stays connected to the contact and their account for seamless tracking. On the quote form, begin with the subject. Use a clear, searchable title, like the project name or a short description, plus a date, so it's easy to find later. Next, make sure the account name is filled in. If it didn't populate, search and select the correct account. This step is crucial because it ties in addresses, currency preferences, and any account-level settings you rely on. Now add your line items. In the product name field, search for and select the product or service you're quoting. Adjust quantity, pricing, and applicable taxes as needed, and use your price books if your organization has them. If discounts are allowed, apply them carefully and ensure margins still make sense. If your organization requires it, enter your terms and conditions. This is the place for payment terms, delivery timelines, warranty notes, or renewal details that should appear on the customer-facing quote. Use the description area for internal notes or context, like implementation specifics or reminders for your team. This information won't confuse customers if your template hides internal fields. When everything looks good, click Save. Take a moment to review the totals and formatting in the saved record. Consistency matters, so double-check taxes, currency, and validity dates before sharing. From here, your organization might send the quote for approval or share it with the customer, depending on your process. Either way, you've now created a properly linked, professional quote from within Zoho CRM. If this walkthrough helped, give it a like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more.